Okay, I'm at the Cavagna booth. I've got Tom Biedebach. He is the regional manager, regional sales manager for Cavagna. First question for you, Tom. I've been seeing the Kohda Line advertised quite a bit out there. What are the types of industries and applications that GAWDA Distributors should be keeping an eye out for to leverage that line?
Well, anybody that has a specialty gas lab, anybody that's doing calibration gases, ISO standards, we're finding success with the Kohda valve. This design is made specifically for those ultra high purity applications, and so we've been able to open some doors that we weren't able to before as a result.
Awesome. Talk about the partnership with Cavagna, and say a distributor decides to be a partner of Cavagna. What could they expect as a partner of yours?
One of the distinct advantages that we offer beyond just a quality product is the fact that we're stocking this inventory in North America. We understand the challenges of working with these applications and how important it is to have what you need when you need it. We're doing our best to make sure that you don't see the long lead times you would with other products. So we're stocking in New Jersey a full line of diaphragm and tied diaphragm stainless steel valves.
Awesome. And what resources do you offer distributors to help them understand?
Well, beyond the fact that we have a shorter lead time, of course, you're not going through distribution, so you're seeing a competitive price. We're also finding that as we expand our product offerings, we're able to cater to what people need. Perfect example, 3 weeks ago, I had a request for a valve. We didn't have it on lineup. As of today, we had a drawing done. It's in production. We're gonna have delivery of that product before the end of the year.
Perks of working with the OEM, man.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
It's for us, the way we see it is you can basically buy a valve anywhere. What you're buying is the support and the customer service, the partnership, not a supplier-customer relationship, more one that we're working together as partners.
I love it, and I love you guys as a partner too. You guys are always great for us here at GAWDA Media and for GAWDA as a whole. Always great to see you and David here at the shows, and we thank you for that.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.
Okay, thank you, Tom.
Yeah.